Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're alright. Nowadays we are talking about the landscaping. Pebbles thrown in landscaping bring a natural timeless beauty that intensely elevates any outdoor space. There are small, smooth stones available in a variety of colors: white, black, green, tan, or even mixed stone, and can be used in continuous creative ways. So guys, if you like my video, please support my channel, like, subscribe, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Landscaping is a art, is a beautiful nature thing. One of the most popular ideas is creating pebble pathways, where pebbles are arranged between stepping stone or tiles to give a clean, modern look while making parking areas both durable and decorative. Pebbles also make excellent borders for flower beds and trees, adding contrast to greenery while helping with water drainage and wet control. For a minimalist design, white or black pebbles placed around garden sculpture, fountains, or planted create a striking, elegant effect in water. Feathers, pebbles bring harmony, living barns, small streams, or fountain with smooth stone, giving a natural smoothing finish. They can also be used for dry verbs in garden, where light and dark stone are mixed to mimic the flow of water. Many modern homes use pebble stone in Zen-inspired garden, arranging them into patterns for calm, meditative atmosphere. Indoors or on passions, pebbles can be added to plants, pots, used to decorate small courtyards, or placed under outdoor seating areas for chic and contemporary vibes. So guys, आप देख सकते हैं वर्ड्स में चैनल्स पर लैंडस्केपिंग मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल एंड लेटेस्ट आइडियाज़, गुड लुकिंग एंड स्टाइलिश एक्टिविटीज़ देखने के लिए वर्ड्स आप प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल्स पर सब्सक्राइब करते रहें, लाइक करते रहें. सो गाइस, टेक केयर, वी वर्ड्स एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियोज़ में.